Discovering Fiji's natural beauty, guided nature walks, wildlife encounters on foot, botanical treasures, a flora-focused stroll, cultural immersion, village and historical walking tours. Step back in time, visiting ancient Fijian sites. Village welcomes, experiencing local life, historical landmarks of Fiji's colonial past. Coastal trails and beach walks in Fiji, sunrise and sunset beach strolls, coastal hikes with breathtaking ocean views. Discovering secluded coves and beaches, adventure, challenging treks and mountain trails, conquering Fiji's peaks, mountain hiking itineraries. Off the beaten path, jungle and rainforest, treks, self-guided walks, crafting your own adventure resources for independent explorers. The importance of conservation and ecotourism. Embracing the Fijian spirit of adventure. Conclusion: the unforgettable journey on foot. Credits and acknowledgements. Special offers and promotions. Upcoming walking tour events. Safety tips and guidelines. Final thoughts. The call of the Fijian Islands. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.